Sino si Palatis?
Ayun po ba nagtatago? Wait lang, let's stop muna guys for a moment. Okay, start na daw guys. Ay, pasana ulasin. Sorry.
My earrings and necklace are missing. Would you put it out?
What is so good?
Good morning, ma'am and sir. I'm sorry to hear that. May I please know your wardrobe number?
We will check your room immediately with our housekeeping department.
I searched your room and checked the local one.
I'll review the CCTV and cameras.
I inspect if anything surveillance or security or pets.
Don't worry about that, sir. We'll help you find your missing items shortly. Thank you.
Everyone with their car. The staff stayed calm and held right away. And as the team searched, the housekeeper found the missing items.
I found the missing item. It was stuck in the bed.
Well done, let's return it to our guests.
They went back to the front desk and gave the missing items.
Nagtatago sa video.
Officer, we found your necklace and earrings.
We're happy to help, sir. Please let us know if you need anything else.
Thanks to their teamwork, the problem was solved with the encounter. Again, St. Thomas Hotel at your service.